In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly send a Word document to Google Drive. Whether you're working on a project for school, a report for work, or you're just looking to back up your files, knowing how to efficiently transfer your Word documents to Google Drive can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and get started. First, ensure that you're logged into your Google account. This might seem like an obvious step, but having access to your Google account is essential for utilizing Google Drive's full capabilities. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by visiting Google's homepage and following the account setup prompts. Once you're logged in, open Google Drive, which can be accessed through the Google Apps icon at the top right corner on your Google homepage, or simply by typing drive.google.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you're on the Google Drive home interface, you'll see various options on the left-hand side like My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, and more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these, as they'll be useful for organizing your documents later on. For now, let's focus on uploading your Word document. To begin uploading, click on the New button located at the top left corner of your Drive interface. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select File Upload. This will open a File Explorer window from which you can navigate to the location on your computer where your Word document is saved. Click on the document to highlight it, and then click Open. Your document will now begin uploading to Google Drive. Keep an eye on the bottom right corner of your screen. A small window will pop up indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, your document will appear in your Drive directory. You can click on it to ensure it has uploaded correctly. Google Drive allows you to view and convert Word documents into Google Docs format if needed, providing greater flexibility for editing and sharing. One useful tip: if you often upload documents to Google Drive, consider using the Backup and Sync option that Google provides. This handy tool can automatically sync your documents and other files from your computer to Google Drive, saving you time in the future. Finally, remember that Google Drive also offers excellent organizational tools. You can create folders by clicking New and then Folder, allowing you to keep your documents tidy and easy to find. You can even drag and drop your uploaded Word document into any folder of your choosing. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to upload a Word document to Google Drive. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that all your files are safely stored and easily accessible anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tech guides.